Hello kids! Today in this video we'll learn alphabets from A to D along with the things starting with these letters A, B, C, D, and we'll learn numbers from 1 to 20. But before that we'll learn some shapes. This is circle and this is in red color. This is rectangle and this is in yellow color. This is triangle shape and it is in blue color. This is which shape? Can you tell me? This is square shape and it is in green color. Very good. And finally this one is pentagon. It has 5 sides and it is in orange color. Okay? So let's start our alphabets. So first I'll take a red color, okay, and write the capital letter A. This is capital letter A, okay, and this one is small letter A, okay, capital letter, small letter. A for apple. A for apple. Let's color it. Okay, so now we have completed coloring apple. Starts with the letter A. A for apple and A for aeroplane. This is aeroplane. Let's color it. Okay, so this is aeroplane. Starts with the letter A. A for aeroplane. Next, A for ant. A for ant. Okay, this is ant. Ant starts with the letter A. A for ant. And this one is red color. Okay, next I'll take yellow color. This is yellow color. To write the letter B. This is capital letter B. And this one is small letter B. This is small letter B. B for boat. B for boat. So this is boat. Boat starts with the letter B. B for boat. Next, B for balloon. B for balloon. So this is balloon. Starts with the letter B. B for balloon. Next, B for banana. B for banana. Okay, so this is banana. Banana starts with the letter B. B for banana. And this one is yellow color. This one is yellow color. Next I'll take purple color. This is purple color. To write the letter C. This is capital letter C. And this one is small letter C. Quite similar. Okay, so C for cat. C for cat. Okay, this is cat. Starts with the letter C. C for cat. Next, C for car. C for car. Okay. So this is car. Starts with the letter C. I forgot to color the wheels. Okay. So now this is completed. What is this? Car. Starts with the letter C. C for car. Next, C for cap. C for cap. Okay, so this is cap. Starts with the letter C. C for cap. And this one is purple color. Next, I'll take dark green color to color the letter D. This is capital letter D. And this one is small letter D. D for dog. D for dog. Okay, so this is dog. Starts with the letter D. D for dog. Next, D for dice. This is dice. Let's color these. Okay, so this is dice. Starts with the letter D. D for dice. Next, D for duck. D for duck. Okay, this is duck. Starts with the letter D. D for duck. So hence we have completed our alphabets from A to D along with the objects or things starting with these letters A, B, C, D. So next we'll learn numbers from 1 to 20. So now we'll learn numbers. For that I'll take dark blue color to write the numbers. 1. This is number 1. Next I'll take yellow color. 2. Red color. 3. Green color. 4. Blue color. This is light blue color. 5. Okay, now again we'll repeat all the colors in sequence. So after 5 it is 6 with dark blue color, 7 with yellow color, red, 8, 9 green color, blue color, 10 1 0 10, 11 1 1 11, 12 1 2 12, 13 1 3 13, 14 1 4 14, 15 1 5 15, 16 1 6 16, 17 1 7 17, 18 1 8 18, 19 1 9 19, 20 2 0 20. So hence we have completed our numbers as well. So let's repeat once again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. So we have completed our alphabets and numbers. So that's it for today, kids. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, hit the thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.